Hey. So yesterday was kind of a miracle that the stream stayed up like all day because that's not like the norm. It's much more normal. Wait, what is that? I don't know. Notifications are being dumb, but whatever. Wait, actually no. Did I just never set that up properly? No, it's supposed to be using color key. Why does it not realize it's supposed to be using color key? Whatever, I don't care. Um, yeah, it was kind of a miracle that the stream stayed live all day yesterday, for like the whole 14 hours, because like it's actually more normal, unfortunately, for my ISP to cut out on occasion. So, wait, hold on. Yeah, unfortunately, that's probably going to be happening a little bit. So, sorry about that. Uh, let's get back up and running, shall we? Uh, so let's reopen Unity. Let's kick Journey back into gear again too. Um, internet, internet. All right, so fortunately Journey starts up pretty fast. So what were we working on? The inventory. Uh, Specifically, we were working on adding like interactivity to the inventory, because now you can open the inventory and you can close it. And we don't have a concept of a highlight tile. So like when you're on the inventory screen, when you click on like the inventory slots, what's supposed to happen there is the highlight's supposed to move around, because you're supposed to be able to select things from your inventory. And when you select something from your inventory, you can then give it to wizard babies, for example. It's a weird game. But we kind of knew that from the outset, that it would be. Yeah. That's weird. My bandwidth is usually pretty steady, except when it goes to zero. Hey, Alia, how's it going? Welcome. Hobos, I said it before you. Ha, 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 ha. You're getting slow, Alia. You're getting slow in your old age. No, I'm just kidding. The ripe old age of 14. No, I have no clue how old you are. Um, all right, so what were we doing? Yeah, no, I could be a space if I want to be. You can't tell me whether I'm a space or not, man. um, but no, I'm just admiring space today. All right. Right. So, so the game needs to have a concept of the inventory highlight, because that's important. Public or transform. I guess I don't need to know about it as a game object. I only really need to reference its transform. Inventory not dot highlight. Inventory highlight. Save that, and then we also need. Well, I'll put it not there, but we also need a concept of the highlighted inventory item. So int highlighted inventory item. We'll just start it as 0. Save that. Your game still looks a bit boring, Alia full. You fart hobo. um, yeah. I'm a child. But Aliaful is a fart hobo, so if I had to pick one, I'd rather be a child than a fart hobo. Okay, I'll stop saying that, sorry. Oh. It's say childish names or ban people. Those are the two things that make me feel better when people are being jerks. You childish... No, stop. Alright. Maybe I should use ban, because I tend to get really distracted. But, that's... I don't know. Whatever. So, what am I doing? What are we doing? So... Yes, okay, so now that we have a concept of something can be highlighted in the inventory, we can actually have the game do things based on what's highlighted. So first I'm going to hook up the visual component, or first, before highlighting actually means anything, I'm going to make that highlight works. So the weird thing here is that the way I set this up, what we're going to say is that highlighted inventory item equals inventory button pressed -2, because the indexes are offset by 2. And then we can say highlighted, or inventory highlight. No, what are you doing? Inventory highlight dot transform. No, it is a transform. Dot position equals inventory. Wait, what? Inventory buttons index inventory button pressed plus new vector, because I don't want it to like literally draw on the exact same layer. I want the highlight to draw on top. So it'll be the button plus or minus. It'll be the vector. So 0 0 -2, just -2, just to keep it sufficiently offset. Yeah. All right. So now I think we can actually move the highlight around, possibly. Oops, I forgot to close all my parentheses. Whoa, that was the page down button. Did not mean to do that. Or, yeah, that was the page down button. Whoops. Alright, that's what I meant to do, right? Go away. Stop being red text. Stop being red text. Wait, oh, whoops, I forgot to do inventory buttons dot transform dot position. Oh, wait, no, they are transformed, so I just have to do dot position. Yeah, there we go. Alright, good stuff. So, oh man, I don't have compiler errors. You have compiler errors. I guess we all have compiler errors, right? Oh, did I put too many parentheses? No. No, I did put too many parentheses. I don't know why I put many parentheses. Whatever. Alright. So, cool. Wait, what? One of the errors that was showing up in the console, I think, was patently false. Oh, no. Yeah, no. I know why. I know what the error in the console was trying to tell me. Alright, so now I think I can move the highlight around. Or I can just crash the game. Either of those. What? Has the game just crashed? I don't guess. Oh, it's just crashed. Interesting. Why would it just crash? I think that's weird. That feels weird to me. Why would it just crash? I didn't introduce any new, like... What? I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Why would it just crash? I didn't introduce any new, like, loops or anything like that. What do you... Oh, I wonder if this has to do with the fact that the game keeps, like, registering, like, freakishly many button presses. I wonder if that has anything to do with what we're seeing here. Because, like, this, if we were getting, like, a normal, like, reasonable number of button presses, I'm pretty sure this would work. But I did notice that we were getting freakishly many button presses. No. Well, so in order to enter buildings power fear, someone would have to make the buildings interior. So if you want to make the buildings interior, then sure. But so far no one's made a building interior, so you can't do it yet. But let me know when you finish that, and I'll hook it up. Yeah. So yeah, what the heck? There's like no... There's... So I wonder, do it. Do it, Power Fear. I bet they're fantastic. I bet your paint skills are phenomenal. Uh, so yeah. Sorry, just one second. Sorry about that. All right, so oh, my music got turned off and I never turned it back on. I miss my music. Sorry, one second. Uh, so yeah. All right. Excuse me. Yeah. What the heck? Why did things start not working all of a sudden? I mean, it was something I did here, right? So what if I just like comment these out? Is it gonna go back to working if I do this? Oh, I bet I know it's. Well, I don't know why this would cause a hang, but I do know one thing that I forgot to do. I forgot to set inventory highlight. So like, yeah, inventory highlight doesn't know what it is. Uh, so let's go to the inventory and hook that up. I mean that shouldn't have caused it to do what it did, but we did forget to do that. Hey, official Ponty. Yeah. All right. Let's see the game so far. So here's the world, and we can move around in it. We can encounter wizard babies, and we can open our inventory, and we can move our highlight around, and we can close the inventory. Ta-da! We did it. Look, we did it. It's a game. um. So yeah. So the next thing to do, I guess, is to hook up the actual gameplay. Because right now you never actually have anything in your inventory, and yeah. And so the give, like, you can't use the give button. You can only ever close your inventory. And so I think like what we were talking about yesterday that will happen, unless anyone wants to make a strong argument otherwise. Um, the what's due to happen here is that you can approach a wizard baby. You can give it something, and then the wizard baby will teleport away, and it will leave behind something for you to take. So there's also supposed to be things on the ground. So maybe before I worry about that, maybe I should start putting things on the ground, because yeah, there's gonna be stuff on the ground. All right, hold on. How am I gonna set this up? Right. So currently, reload all. Sure. So currently, oh yeah. So, huh. Uh, all right. So let's have all right. Let's have public public game object. No, not public game object. Public game object. No, wait. What are we gonna do for items? Public yeah, game object, because we want to plug in like prefabs for these. Wait. Wait, now how do I want to define this? I don't think you can do nested arrays in the inspector. So how am I going to set this up? Because basically I want like different types of items, and then the items are going to get scattered in the world, and then you can find items. Because if I mean, I guess you don't have to find items in the world. Like maybe you always get the items from wizard babies. I don't know. I don't know which of those would be cleaner concepts, but either way, yeah, right. So how would I want to like author these? How do I want to create these items? I basically want like a set of items that I can like plug it's not just the items aren't just the images though. The items have to have like some meaning more than just the images, I think, because the like I don't see this being like super compelling unless the items have meaning. Right. Also, I was saying that I want like some level of complexity to how the game behaves because the game is supposed to be unexpected a little bit. It's supposed to be surprising. Maybe the maybe maybe we won't actually add any meaning to the items and we'll just have like all of the possible game events happen like completely with random incidents. So like the player can never actually draw any correlation between what game object or like what actions cause what behaviors. And we can just put in enough behaviors that it seems like there should be some pattern emerging from the madness, but no pattern ever emerges from the madness. Maybe that's what we should do. That'd be fun. It'd be simpler in a lot of ways because instead of programming like complex game logic, we can just add in like a random thing happening, a random thing happener, or because just to recap, the theme of this jam is didn't expect that to happen, but okay. So as long as we have to make things unexpected, and we know we've made a good unexpected thing as long as it's okay. That's the bar. Okayness is the bar. Uh, um, so yeah. Uh, uh, what stuff? What stuff to happen? Now I still need to figure out how to set up the items. So I guess I just do it in the script, like just hard code it, because I don't feel like doing it a different way. So yeah, because like if I like make like the concept of if I make like a concept of an item, then if I make the concept of an item and then I make like an array of that item in the inspector, like a public array of that item, even if that item has public values, I'm pretty sure you can't actually access those public values because of the limitations of the inspector in Unity, which is a personal irk of mine. I find that somewhat frustrating, but it is a constraint and is one that I must work around for now. So so how am I going to alter this stuff? Well, in the meantime, I'm going to tidy up the image files because some of them aren't like quite centered, and I want them to be like roughly on a commensurate scale. So let's open them all and enforce some level of consistency. So these are the items. The shrubbery is not an item. Okay, these are the items. Oh, I might have to put... Excuse me, I might have to edit some of them to have, like, borders, because, like, our background is, like, light gray, so, like, some stuff isn't going to show up on a light gray background. Some stuff might not show up on a light gray background. But we can figure that out later. So, for example, yeah, let's just... so... Alright, actually, yeah. So, deselect... select basically the square that actually contains the art itself. File new. So 42 by 42, perfect. Paste that, and then save this. That way the art like fills the whatever. Save as wand. Save. Yes. Okay. So we might have to revisit that at some point, but it should be good for now. So this one, the dimensions are fine, but it's like weirdly off-center, or just, you know, ever so slightly off-center. So that I think is better. Alright, save that. Okay. This is, yeah, petite and off center. So wait, cancel. So selection-y tool thingy. And I think this is actually supposed to be a little bit small, so I won't make it fill up the entire square, but it'll be more like that. So file, new, 39 by 39, I guess, will be the dimensions. Weird dimensions, I don't care. So select all, delete, paste. And is that roughly centered? Close enough. Alright, file, save as. Alright, what are you saying? You take it from good skeleton by giving him 2s. Alright. If you wanna make sure that we have all of the assets to implement what you're saying, Lion, like let me know and I'll get on that, and until we have those assets I'm gonna keep going in this path. Because like yeah. No offense, I've just been getting a lot of those stories that like no one ever delivers on. So it's like, yeah, it's cool to say it, but if we actually want it to happen, we actually have to do it, right? So yeah, let me know how that goes. And that's not, I'm not saying like just you personally, I'm saying like this is a collaborative jam, right? So let's collaborate. Or we don't, I mean, we don't have to, so don't feel obligated. But yeah. Cool. All right, so the ring, I happen to know, I was specifically told this is unfinished, so I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Maybe I'll just center it for now, and then I don't know, because it won't be like a huge ring. It'll just be like a ring, but it'll be a centered ring. And then once we can touch it up further once we have the better finished art. Good side for, I actually don't care about pixels super much because I probably have to rescale it anyways. So I guess if you don't care about size either, then I guess built size in pixels. I really don't know. I've resized everything, so as long as it snaps to like a square grid. No. Like wait, hold on. So if you're gonna make the interiors of like if you're gonna make the interiors of these buildings here, the length is twice as long as the width. So I guess if you're gonna make the interior of this building, as long as the length is twice as long as the width, then that would be legit. That'd be good. Fine. Good. And yeah, in terms like I probably need to rescale it anyways. So like I guess here. Oh, actually wait, no, I do have an answer for you actually. So let's say we actually approach one in the game. Here, let's take a screenshot of this and see how many pixels it actually renders as. Alt function print screen. Doodle-doo. Over to paint.net. File new. Sure, whatever. Paste. Alright, let's deselect. Oh, yeah. Huh. Actually, maybe the building itself isn't the best thing because it actually like creeps over the edges. So, what's a better square? Well, I can use the width of this tile because the width of this tile is correct. It is pixel perfect. So how about so this tile is 153 across. So all right, these are weird dimensions, but like if you want it to be pixel perfect, then the size of a the dimensions of a building of these buildings that we have in the game are 153 by twice that. So 153 by 306. How's that sound? 153 306 is how many pixels the buildings actually occupy on screen. Yeah. There you go. Yep. But really, if you want to do if you want to do it on another like scale, I can always resize it as long as the buildings are like twice as long. Well, all right. So I was gonna say as long as the buildings are twice as long as they are wide, but I honestly don't care if the building is any shape. Like this is the building represented on the map, but when you enter the building, it could actually be any shape on the inside. I don't know if I completely care. It'll be a little bit like the TARDIS in that like it just whatever. So I'd say get creative with it too. Like if you have a really good idea that doesn't fit perfectly, like don't worry about like fudging it a little bit. I guess I don't know. In terms of like, so the way the just I guess a quick point of fact is that the way the grid system works is that like you can like there's a grid that's the grid is apparently yikes. The grid is apparently half of 153, so 70 76.5 pixels across. And so for every 75.6 pixel square, you either can or cannot walk on it. So like for example, these bushes are obstructions, so we can't walk on them, but we can walk all the way around them. So like for the interior of a house, like that's basically what we're working with. Like if you're going to make an interior space, think of the interior space as like, so like if you use those exact dimensions, then it would basically be like, 8 squares, like, 2 squares across, 4 squares tall, and for each of those squares, you either can or cannot walk over them. Yeah. Something to keep in mind. Give stuff or something. Alright, oh. Wait. No. Oh. Wait. Yeah, the double clicking thing is annoying me. Because for one thing, by using the update, using update used to be how you used like get mouse blah blah blah. Maybe they just changed that. Hold on, let's look it up. Because double clicking used to happen when I used like fixed update or like on GUI or whatever. No, yeah, when I used on GUI, I used to get like double clicks, but I thought by using update it was supposed to not be broken. Maybe that changed. I haven't used Unity in a while. Using the C# script get mouse button whatever. Input. Oh yeah, maybe I should look at get mouse button down. Yeah, you need to call this function from the update function. So I should only be getting 1 click registered, I think. I feel like. I don't know what that's about. But how do I want to filter that? If oh. Yeah, wait, I want to change this, I guess. Right. Yeah, okay, so I just want to change the nature of this. So if input get mouse button down and oh wait. No, wait, this isn't gonna work either. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to make it so that if you too soon. No, the double clicking thing is just stupid, and I'm not going to worry about it. Because I kind of can't, I guess. I don't know. Am I doing something with the... If button pressed down is greater than or equal to 0, and input mouse button up. How could this possibly be evaluating multiple times? It's not like the... Wait, alright, so... is get mouse button down work in the the update, and mouse button up not work in the update function? No, yeah, you need to call this from the update function. Lame. I blame them. I blame not me. I accept no credit for this weirdness. So I'll probably just ignore it for now. Sorry, excuse me 1 second. Yeah, so I never ran SideQuest again when I restarted the thing. Whoops. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'll just get that going again. Oh wait, it's a. Oh wait. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! I did, and then it crashed, and I didn't notice. Whoops, that's interesting. What? Oh, it tried to print huge level percent, and I was accidentally concatenating int objects. Whoops. All right, don't mind me. Wait, what's a? Oh yeah, these things are all int objects. Whoops. All right. Oh yeah, and this print doesn't actually even mean anything right now. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. I quickly slapped this print in yesterday, and this was apparently the first time we hit it, and was so the opportunity for me to discover this error. Sorry about that. All right, save that. Now I'll run it, and it should work now. Although actually, I did mean to change one thing, which was one of the variables for yeah, lmult. I'm gonna put lmults at 12, just cause. Just cause. Is that right? No, maybe I should leave it at 10. Yeah, I'll leave it at 10. 10's fine. 10's good. 10's actually good. Maybe even lower. Maybe lower is actually better. I don't know. We'll see. Run. Run like the wind. Alright, sorry about that. I did not even notice that happened. I guess I should pay more attention to that. Just all of a sudden I realized it wasn't there, and I was like, what? Alright. So, what was it? Oh yeah, I was like, I'm annoyed by the double press thing that we're seeing, but I guess I can't really do anything about it. Really, in a way. Wait, am I just doing something dumb? Is that what's going on? Get press. Oh, maybe I'm just doing something dumb. Am I just doing something dumb? Probably. Oh, now that I think about it, I'm probably just doing something super dumb. Yeah, no, it's just me. Don't mind me. Just me being... Wow, I was so dumb yesterday, I guess? I don't know. Right, I'm not supposed to be doing this here. This is not where this is supposed to happen. Whoa. Whoa. So that would explain that. All right, I accept some of that credit I previously disclaimed. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen there. Whoops. All right, up in this thing where wait, switch button press down. Oh, before we switch on button press down, we have to switch on UI state. No, current UI. Excuse me. Current UI. Yes. And then all of this is part of that. Why'd that indent like that? Switch on current UI. So indent this. Yeah. Wait, why are you complaining? Oh, wait, what? Yeah, no, I don't think you're supposed to be complaining. I think this is supposed to be fine, and you're just being weird. Oh, you're just mad that I don't have a case. So this is case UI state.world. Yeah. Oh, and so I should indent all of this as well, I guess, because why not? Wait, how much of this? All of this, I think. Right? And then I should break at the end of it. And then case UI state dot dialog. Yeah, here we go. I don't know why I don't know why this indentation doesn't seem enthusiastic, but we can iron that out in a second. Alright, so We do that, and then we break. Oh, you're supposed to be further indented. You want to be indented like that. Alright, sure. Wait, why is there... Am I missing a closed bracket or something? Or did this... Was this closed bracket supposed to be down here? No. Am I missing a closed bracket? I'll try adding in an extra closed bracket and see if that makes everything better. No? Not better? No, not better. Wait, so that... It thinks this closed bracket goes with this open bracket? Why would it think that? Oh, did I accidentally consume an extra closed bracket that was supposed to be out here? Like that, maybe? Probably. And that's supposed to be... Wait. I mean, this isn't supposed to be indented as far as it is. Like that? Is that better? Oh yeah, right. That's true. Alright, I think I... Alright, that was a little sloppy, but I think I have it back together now. Alright, so switch dialog button pressed. Right, it's not that anymore. It's actually just button pressed. I guess that, maybe that should have been a clue. That I was supposed to be using button pressed instead. Wait, button pressed? Yeah, it does. No, what is it called? Button pressed down. Yeah. Alright. Oh, man. What was wrong with my head yesterday? I was just not on my game, I think, is what it was. It was what that was about. Alright, so look at all these errors. Yay, errors. What's this error? Wait, why are you showing a red thing here? Oh, yeah. Wait, why are you saying get pressed does not exist in the current context? Oh, whoops. Alright, so my brackets are still not good yet. I have one too many or one too few or something. One too many? I have one too many. But was that the correct place to remove it from? Yeah, I guess so. Because, like, the way Visual Studio wants to indent these cases, like, it wants to indent the case and it wants to indent the contents of the case. So maybe it also expects me to put braces around the case. But MonoDevelop didn't want me to put braces around the case. I don't know. Whatever. So save stuff. Sure. And then, alright, so likewise, with the oh, wait. But dialog button pressed. Oh yeah, we're just supposed to be returning these things. We're not supposed to actually be, like, working with them in here. Man. I don't know how I messed that up so hard, but whatever. Hold on. I'll let me finish removing this stuff over, and then I'll worry about that. So X, yeah. Alright, so case UI state dot not dialog, inventory, yeah, and then all this good stuff. Hey, it's indented correctly and everything. Cool. And then break. Cool. Booyakrani1. Hey, how's it going? Welcome. Yeah. Alright, this is button press down. This is supposed to be button press down. Woof. Button press down. Case, oh. Wait a second. Button press down is a region? Oh. Oh, I might need to change that. Because I don't want to set up enums for all this stuff. Yeah. I don't feel like I want to do that. I think I will not do that. Go to definition. Right, so this is just gonna this is gonna be a an int. Whatever. And it's just gonna start as 0 or -1, I guess. Yeah. I'll keep US to enum for now. The other ones I just don't really care about. So north is gonna be 0. East is gonna be 1. South is gonna be 2. West is gonna be 3. And again, north is gonna be 0. East is gonna be 1. South is gonna be 2. West is gonna be 3. Yeah. Maybe there is a way that you can just like treat enums like integers, but C# doesn't seem to want to do that, so C# can get bent. No, I don't know. Alright, where are all these other errors? What is this error? UI region. Oh yeah, right. So instead of region.none is actually equal to -1 now. And so what are these other places? Inventory button pressed -2. Oh yeah, that's not a thing anymore. Right. Yeah, it's actually supposed to be button pressed down. Down -2. Yeah, and again, button pressed down. Yeah. So what are these other errors? Alright, so UI region north